Today, we will go through a step-by-step tutorial on how to access your account statements and tax documents through the AdviceWorks portal. First, you'll want to make sure you are registered for AdviceWorks, a secure client portal where you can view your account balances, holdings, transactions, and more. If you have not yet registered or are unsure if you are currently registered for this complimentary program, contact your financial advisor's office to request an email invitation. A valid email address and mobile telephone number should be readily available to complete the registration process. On your landing page, there is a client-dedicated AdviceWorks telephone line, created to support you with any technical or functional troubleshooting inquiries pertaining to the AdviceWorks program. Once you have successfully logged into your AdviceWorks client portal, take a look at the top menu bar where you will see 5 main menu items: Home, My Roadmap, My Accounts, My Documents, and My Financial Professionals. Click down on My Documents and choose Statements and Notices. Below the blue information bar, you will see a second menu item: Statements, Client Documents, Confirmations, Tax Docs, and Account Communications. To access a specific month or end-of-year account statement, choose Statements and toggle the Time Period section for your desired time frame. Beneficiary names and allocations are now visible on these same applicable Pershing or Cetera account statements. You will have the option to view, save, or print any downloaded statement. To access current year or past year tax documents, choose Tax Docs and select your desired tax year. Any available tax document will populate, alongside the corresponding account number. You will be able to click on the document description, which will trigger an automatic download of the item for you to view, save, or print. A couple of important notes. If you do not yet see your tax document, usually between the months of January and March of each year, it may not be ready for you to download yet. This is dependent upon the holdings in your portfolio, as some companies take longer to report their taxes than others. If you see a document identified as draft, please wait for the revised final version to become available. A draft tax document is likely missing important information about your account holdings and may result in you needing to file a tax revision. Please note, tax documents in AdviceWorks are only provided for Pershing or Cetera accounts. To request direct business account documents, i.e., accounts held elsewhere like at Fidelity or Schwab, contact the direct business itself or reach out to your financial professional for additional assistance.